Good evening, friends. Now, today we are going to discuss under the chapter number 3, admission of a new partner, and we are going to study a new topic, which are accounting treatment in the case of accumulated profit loss and reserve. Okay, my dear students, accounting treatment in the case of accumulated profit loss and reserve, distribution of accumulated profit loss and reserve. Getting over, as we are knowing, in the balance sheet of the partnership firm, ठीक है, balance sheet of the partnership firm, there are so many points. This side liability and this side assets. Okay, under liability there are various type of reserve, general reserve or a specific type of reserve, like workman compensation fund, investment fluctuation fund. Okay, my dear students, in the balance sheet. So see here, suppose profit and loss account 1 lakh, reserve, general reserve 2 lakh, workman compensation fund 1 lakh, investment fluctuation fund 50,000, and this side profit and loss account, debit balance of PL account 1 lakh, advertisement suspense account 1 lakh, deferred revenue expenditure 1 lakh. Okay, so what we are saying, before the admission of a new partner, before the admission of a new partner, means suppose A and B, there are two partners in a partnership firm, and C is coming. So before the admission of C, all the profit loss or reserve or losses will be distributed in old partners in old ratio. Why? Because means when new partner will enter in the partnership firm, then he will start to share. He will start to what? He will start to demand for the share in these profits. So this is the loss for the old partner. It will be the loss for the old partner. Definitely loss. Okay, means when a new partner will come in the partnership firm, then he will start to ask for the profit share from these profits, these accumulated profits. Means काम किया 1 पैसे का नहीं और डिमांड 1 लाख का, मीन्स एक कहावत कही जाती है. तो जिस प्रॉफिट लॉस में नए पार्टनर का कोई भी शेयर नहीं है, तो उसमें उसका हक कैसा? अगर उसको कोई भी प्रॉफिट शेयर का हिस्सेदारी मिलती है, उसको किसी भी प्रॉफिट एक्यूमुलेटेड प्रॉफिट और लॉस में से किसी भी नए पार्टनर को कोई भी शेयर मिलता है, इन दैट केस दैट विल बी लॉस फॉर द ओल्ड पार्टनर. ओके माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, सो व्हाट वी आर going to study, we are studying accounting treatment in the case of accumulated profit and profit loss and reserve. Means there are some specific reserve, profit loss, general reserve, and there are some losses in the balance sheet. And they are the old partner A and B. They distribute their profit 1:1. and C is coming for 1/3. I'm just giving an example for to understand you. Okay, my dear friends. So what we are studying, accounting treatment in the case of distribution of accumulated profit loss. So what we will do means all these profit before the admission of a new partner we will distribute in the old partners. मतलब ये जितने प्रॉफिट लॉस है उसको हम ओल्ड पार्टनर में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करके खत्म कर देंगे ओल्ड रेशियो में. आई बात समझ में? तो इसी चीज को हम पढ़ रहे हैं क्या, अकाउंटिंग ट्रीटमेंट इन द केस ऑफ एक्यूमुलेटेड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ एक्यूमुलेटेड प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस, प्रॉफिट लॉस एंड रिजर्व. ओके, तो हम क्या करेंगे, पहले एंट्री क्या बनेगी, फर्स्ट जनरल एंट्री, जितनी भी प्रॉफिट लॉस होंगे, रिजर्व होंगे, स्पेसिफिक टाइप ऑफ रिजर्व होंगे, हम सबको क्या करेंगे, जर्नल एंट्री लिख लीजिए, जर्नल एंट्री. फर्स्ट प्रॉफिट लॉस अकाउंट डेबिट, जर्नल एंट्री एट द टाइम ऑफ, यू कैन राइट for distribution of PL and reserves. Okay, तो profit loss account debit, general reserve account debit. Okay, if any type of a specific reserve, my dear students, under class 11th I have told you what reserve, there are two type of reserve, general reserve and a specific reserve. General reserve for any type of things and a specific reserve for a special type of purpose, for a special purpose. Getting over? So a special purpose means a specific reserve क्या है, workman compensation fund. So these type of fund, whatever we are making for the compensation to the workman, that is called workman compensation fund. And if any plus or minus, if any profit or loss, plus means profit, loss means minus, comes in the investment of the partnership business of the concern, means for meeting to that type of things, we prepare a what? Investment fluctuation fund. Investment fluctuation fund. So any type of contingency, any type of loss in the investments. So for meeting to that type of loss, we prepare investment fluctuation fund. So this is also a specific type of reserve. If in the business, listen it, mind it, if in the business there is no any claim against any specific reserve like workman compensation fund or investment fluctuation fund, मतलब क्या है कि अगर इनके लिए कोई भी ऐसा क्लेम बिजनेस में नहीं है तो हम क्या करेंगे, इसको भी हम ओल्ड पार्टनर के रेशियो में, ओल्ड रेशियो में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर देंगे. क्लियर? तो क्या हो जाएगा, पीएल अकाउंट डेबिट, जनरल रिजर्व अकाउंट डेबिट, वर्कमैन कंपनसेशन फंड अकाउंट डेबिट, इन्वेस्टमेंट फ्लक्चुएशन फंड अकाउंट डेबिट टू पार्टनर्स कैपिटल, ओल्ड पार्टनर्स कैपिटल. एक ओल्ड पार्टनर कौन कौन है, टू एज कैपिटल अकाउंट, टू बीज कैपिटल अकाउंट. ओके, यहां पे हम क्या कहेंगे, या फिर लिख देंगे टू ओल्ड पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट. गेटिंग यू बोला? एनी डाउट एनीवन? सो in the case of distribution of profit loss, as it is, we will distribute all the losses. What in the case of losses, journal entry for the losses, journal entry for the distribution of losses, accumulated losses and accumulated losses. Okay, so what we will do, entry will be means opposite, this entry will be opposite, reverse. Okay, here in this case we are distributing profit and reserve in old ratio. In old ratio. Okay. In here what we'll do? Old partners means A's capital account debit. Old partner कौन कौन है? A and B. A's capital debit, B's capital account debit to PL to advertisement suspense account to deferred revenue expenditure account. Getting over? So we will distribute according to the old ratio 1:1. Getting over? So by this type we will do the accounting treatment of accumulated profit and losses. One more thing I want to tell you, what if is in the balance sheet, if in the balance sheet there is EPF or PF, any type of things is given. Okay, employment provident fund means any type of fund which is related from the employees, that will not distribute in the old partners, because this is not a reserve. This is created for the employees of the concern. Getting over? Means these points, if it is given in the balance sheet, we will not distribute in the old partners. So clear? Hope it is clear to all of you. Okay, if you have any problem regarding this topic, then you can ask me. Okay, my dear students, so what we are seeing, accounting treatment in the cases of accumulated profit and reserve. In the case of profit, we will distribute like this: PL, general reserve, all profit debit to A's capital to B's capital, and general entry for the distribution of accumulated loss. So partners capital account debit to PL to advertisement suspend to deferred revenue expenditure in old ratio. ये लॉस का केस होगा. होप आप सबको समझ में आया होगा. अगर किसी को कोई परेशानी हो तो फिर कमेंट में पूछ सकता है. अगर वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा हो, समझ में आया हो, तो लाइक करिएगा, शेयर करिएगा और सब्सक्राइब करिएगा. फॉर टुडे, थैंक यू वेरी मच.